Okay, so
Okay, fine.
can we move forward for the relay side?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So let's back to the relay side. Okay, so here we will use timer, and after few milliseconds time interval, we will try to switch the relay. Okay, I think it's very easy connection. Let me check if there is any component like relay on the walkway. Yeah, I think there is one model. That's great. Let me remove those. So connection would be very simple, like connect the VCC array. First of all, uh, ESP32. Shit, yeah. Please come back. No. Okay. Okay. So just connect the VCC with 3.3. I'm not using breadboard, you can use it. And ground ground should be connected with the ground. Okay, and input will connect that input on 25 pin. Okay, this would be our basic circuit. Do confirm if you have drawn this circuit at your hardware level. Okay, and for sake of convenience, like for the later part, first of all we'll try on this thing, right? And after that you have flashed that program. This LED should blink after some milliseconds when you have uploaded this program. Let me open that program also. I will explain. Yeah, but before that, this program, I think this program is for the debouncing demo. If anyone has doubt in this program for the in our previous program in which we are solving the bouncing issue of the push button, so you can ask me, like it is very simple program. Let me brief it little bit. So here, first of all, we are detecting the edge. That means the last state of current state, last state, and current state of the push button. Is it low or high, right? And after that, detecting that edge, we added few delay, which we called as debounce delay. Then we are checking again that that GPIO pin is high or low, right? Then we are increasing the counter, that is press count plus plus, that means we are incrementing the press count variable by one. And we have set at the GPIO LED, that means LED, to make it high. And we are printing that logs. Here you can see that valid press count and that current count as a press count variable, right? And we will here that is important part. Wait until the button is released. Here, right here we are again checking that GPI level of button is equals to 1. Why? Right, because it should be released, right? And we are reading that condition that when it would be released, then the the level of the GPIO pin should be exactly equals to 1, right here. Then we are again adding one small delay and setting up the LED pin to 0, right here. We are making the last state equals to current state so that we can push that the value of the current state into a last state. So this is a very simple program. Okay, now let's get back to the relay side.
Pawan, edge detection is the same concept or it is another concept?
Sorry?
Edge detection is also the same concept or it is another?
Edge detection is like reading the current state of the button. It is like it is already pressed or it is released. That is like we are detecting that edge. That means it is like making the circuit short or not. That is we call as a edge detection. It's a part of the debouncing. Hope you heard that.
Okay.